Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. I apologize, there seems to be a repetition. I previously described a gray stone bathroom design. Here's a description of a different stone material for bathroom design: earthy tranquility, travertine bathroom design. Imagine a bathroom that evokes a sense of natural serenity. A travertine stone bathroom design offers a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. The rich texture and subtle veining patterns of travertine create a timeless and elegant backdrop. Key characteristics: travertine stone tile. Travertine stone tiles adorn the walls and floor, creating a cohesive and luxurious feel. The natural variations in color and texture add visual interest. Warm color palette. The warm tones of travertine are complemented by a palette of beige, cream, and light brown. Pops of color can be introduced sparingly through towels, artwork, or decorative accessories. Spa-like fixtures. Matte black or brushed nickel fixtures with clean lines add a touch of modern luxury. Consider a freestanding bathtub or a walk-in shower with a rainfall showerhead for a spa-like experience. Natural elements. Incorporate natural elements like wood accents, woven baskets, and potted plants to enhance the tranquil atmosphere. Ample storage. Built-in vanities with ample storage drawers and cabinets in a light wood finish keep the bathroom organized and clutter-free. Overall vibe: a travertine bathroom design is a study in warmth and tranquility. It creates a spa-like haven that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Extra touches: heated floors. Optional heated floors add a touch of luxury and comfort, especially during colder months. Walk-in shower with glass enclosure. A spacious walk-in shower with a glass enclosure creates a sense of openness and allows for a luxurious showering experience. Double vanity. A double vanity provides ample counter space and storage, ideal for couples or families. Towel warmer. Optional: a towel warmer ensures towels are always warm and inviting. By incorporating these elements and personalizing them to your taste, you can create a stunning travertine bathroom design that reflects your style and offers a haven of peace and relaxation. I apologize again for the repetition. Here are the reasons to design a gray stone bathroom. Building upon the previous description: timeless elegance and sophistication, enduring style. Gray stone is a classic material that transcends trends, ensuring your bathroom remains stylish for years to come. Neutral palette. The cool gray tones of the stone create a versatile backdrop that allows you to experiment with different finishes for fixtures, vanities, and accessories for a personalized touch. Sophisticated ambience. Natural stone exudes a sense of sophistication and luxury, instantly elevating the look and feel of your bathroom. Tranquility and relaxation. Soothing color palette. The cool gray tones of the stone create a calming and serene atmosphere, promoting relaxation and restful rejuvenation. Minimalist aesthetic. By emphasizing clean lines and minimalist elements, the design minimizes visual clutter and creates a sense of peacefulness conducive to unwinding. Versatility and functionality. Adaptable to different styles, the gray stone backdrop serves as a versatile base. You can personalize the space with different vanity styles, fixture finishes, and pops of color to create a modern, traditional, or spa-like atmosphere. Durability and easy to maintain. Natural stone is a highly durable material that resists scratches, stains, and moisture. It requires minimal maintenance, making it ideal for a high-traffic bathroom environment. Potential to increase value. A well-designed stone accent wall or tile installation can add value to your home, especially if you use high-quality materials. Overall, a gray stone bathroom design offers a perfect blend of timeless elegance, tranquility, functionality, and versatility. It creates a calming and sophisticated haven that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. No worries. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream gray stone bathroom, a tranquil and sophisticated haven. Planning and assessment. 1. Define your style and budget. Determine the overall style you want to achieve, modern, spa-like, traditional, or something else entirely. This will guide your material choices, fixture selection, and color palette. Establish a realistic budget for the project, considering the cost of the stone tiles, wall and floor, vanity, fixtures, lighting, and any additional features. 2. Measure your bathroom. Carefully measure your bathroom's dimensions, including wall lengths, ceiling height, door and window placements, and existing plumbing locations. This information is crucial for planning the layout of your vanity, shower/tub, and toilet. Consider professional measuring for complex layouts. 3. Existing elements. Consider the existing elements in your bathroom, such as flooring, if not replacing, and trim. Ensure the gray stone you choose complements these elements for a cohesive look. Design and material selection. 1. Gray stone selection. Explore different types of gray stone for your walls and floor. Consider factors like color variations, texture, durability, and budget. Options include granite, soapstone, or quartz in various shades of gray. Smaller mosaics or tiles with a honed, matte finish can create a more spa-like feel, while larger format tiles with a polished finish can create a more modern look. 2. Vanity selection. Choose a vanity style and material that complements the gray stone. Opt for clean lines and a neutral color like white or light wood for a modern look, or consider a darker wood tone for a more traditional feel. Ensure the size of the vanity provides enough storage and counter space for your needs. 3. Fixture selection. Select fixtures in finishes that complement the overall design. Matte black, brushed nickel, or chrome are popular choices for a modern or contemporary look. Consider wall-mounted faucets and shower heads for a sleek and minimalist aesthetic. 4. Lighting plan. Develop a lighting plan that creates a layered and relaxing atmosphere. Utilize a combination of ambient lighting, overhead lights, task lighting, over the mirror, and accent lighting to highlight the stone or artwork for a spa-like feel. Consider dimmer switches to adjust the brightness for different moods, creating a tranquil oasis. 1. Soft and serene color palette. Develop a color palette that complements the gray stone. Utilize soft grays and calming neutrals like beige, cream, and taupe for towels, bath mats, and accessories. Introduce pops of color sparingly through artwork or decorative elements for a touch of personality. 2. Natural elements. Incorporate calming greenery in hanging planters or on windowsills. Woven baskets for storage and wooden accents for shelves or towel racks further enhance the connection to nature and contribute to a tranquil atmosphere. 3. Spa-like touches. Consider adding a freestanding bathtub or a walk-in shower with a rainfall showerhead for a spa-like experience. Opt for plush towels and bathrobes for an extra touch of luxury, bringing the design to life. 1. Consult with professionals. Optional. Consider consulting with a bathroom designer or architect for professional guidance on space planning, material selections, fixture choices, and ensuring your design adheres to building codes. 2. Hire a contractor. Hire a qualified contractor experienced in bathroom renovations to handle stone tile installation, plumbing work, and electrical work. 3. Finishing touches. Once the major elements are in place, personalize the space with decorative elements like artwork, candles, or a small vase with fresh flowers. Remember, research online resources and magazines for inspiration on gray stone bathroom designs. Create a mood board to visualize your design ideas and color palette. Prioritize functionality when designing the layout and selecting fixtures. Don't be afraid to experiment with textures and patterns, but keep the overall feel serene. By following these steps and personalizing your choices, you can create a stunning gray stone bathroom that reflects your style and offers a tranquil and luxurious haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.